You're watching the 10 o'clock news.
Health officials are advocating for widespread access to naloxone, commonly known as Narcan, a life-saving drug that's capable of reversing overdoses. It's made its way into pharmacies, event spaces, even bars.
That's right. Our Teresa Priolo talked to health experts about how this will help people in New York City if they ever encounter recreational drugs that may be laced with fentanyl.
Do you carry Narcan?
I do not.
Have you ever thought about carrying Narcan?
Never.
It's hailed as the cheapest insurance policy you can buy. Naloxone, or its brand name Narcan, costs $130 if you buy it over the counter. But its impact could quite literally be priceless.
It sounds like a good thing to me, so long as they also told us how to use it.
Dr. Alexandra Stratyner is an addiction specialist.
Fortunately, we live in a world where increasingly Narcan is available, and as it's become more available, there has been increased awareness, more public health campaigns.
The public perception of Narcan used to be that it was only for those who couldn't get clean. But I'm told upscale bars and restaurants are stockpiling it, and people of all ages and walks of life are carrying it, as much for themselves as they are for those around them. Harry Nelson is the author of the book United States of Opioids.
That can truly be the difference between life and death if it's administered in the right time while someone's still breathing in the middle of an overdose. On the other hand, it's in a way a sad statement that this is the only real solution that we've come up to this massive crisis.
Opioid use and deaths are on the rise in New York, due in large part to the fentanyl crisis.
We definitely are seeing more people asking about it at the time of discharge because there is a program that people are aware of, and we can provide family members, friends, whoever brought that person in with a kit.
Narcan is available over the counter and through community programs. There are even vending machines with them. Most importantly, it won't hurt somebody who does not have opioids in their system.
If people have concerns about any degree of substance use, even if you're not sure if you meet criteria for a substance use disorder, there shouldn't be stigma around this. There are people who can help.
Here's the thing about Narcan. It's one of the most easily accessible drugs. Chances are your local pharmacy will have it, but if you live in the city, you can also call 311. The operator will tell you where you can pick it up. On the Upper East Side, Teresa Priolo, Fox 5 News.